Hello YouTube and welcome back. I thought I would finally finish my last Marian antiphon. As I said, I would do a 4 and this is the 4th one, last installment. So today in Cornish I will be reading for you Ave Regina Cælorum, again once more from the Book of Common Prayer, or Liber Pisiara Kemen, published in 1980 according to the Bishopry of Truro. So another short text, but the last sung Marian antiphon. You can see the text there. I will put a link to the tune that accompanies it in the description box, as well as the English, Latin and Cornish version of this as well. Read it through for you briefly so you can hear the meter. I won't be sticking as usual to the actual tune, but you can hear it if you click on the link in the description. So here you go. Ave Regina Cælorum in Cornish. Hayl dhyso myghternes, Hayl dhyso arlodhes, Hayl gwredhen, Hayl darras, Orthys golow sevys, Lowenha wergh galodhes, bryntyn dres benenes, Lowena dhyso golow, Gwra pysy Cryst, pysy genen. There it is. Hail to you, Queen of Heaven. Hail to you, Lord of Angels. But you'll see the translation of the text, and that's the last one. That is the 4th sung Marian antiphon, written and spoken for you in Cornish. That's it. Have a lovely day, and I hope you enjoy.